Hey everyone, Big Willie here from Big Willie's Fab Shop. Today's episode is going to be a little different, kind of go over some snippets of some tractor parades that we were in this year. Also, make sure that you subscribe. I got a lot more projects on the docket this year. We picked up a few this summer, so hopefully you guys will enjoy. So this is the Formal B that we redid this winter engine-wise. So just showing here is we have a generator hooked up to the PTO, and then we have a large electric heater hooked up to it to put a load on the generator, which then is loading the tractor. This is how we are braking in the tractor. So kind of just varying the load, varying the RPM.
We got a video this time. Nice.
The Audubon elevator with the load of wheat with the Mighty Bee and a gravity box. She made it like a champ. it.